Imagine getting arrested for singing a song. A young Tibetan singer, Asang, was arrested by the Chinese authorities 3 weeks ago in Ngaba, Amdo province. His big offense? He dared to sing Peace of Prince in honor of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama's 90th birthday. Yes, singing about a Nobel Peace Laureate can get you locked up in Tibet, because in Beijing's playbook, faith is a threat and culture is a crime. So Asang's case isn't a unique one. It's just the latest reminder that even a melody can be dangerous when it carries the truth.
Shabdi ya shi chi tan yang